So question 14, a golf ball is dropped from rest onto a hard floor. The graph shows how the velocity of the ball varies with time as it bounces from the time of release. At which point does the ball reach its maximum height after the first bounce? Okay, so what we've got here, very important, we've got to realise that this is a velocity against time graph. So what we can see here, this is the point where it's not moving, 0. Here it is accelerating. It'll be at this point that it starts to impact with the floor. At point A, well, it's not moving, so this is the halfway through the impacts of the floor. And now at point B, this is the point where it's now leaving the floor. Notice that the velocity here is now negative, so it's moving in the opposite direction, so it starts to move up. At point C, this is the point where it has come to rest, and now the velocity is now becoming positive again, so it's now moving down towards the towards the floor, and it arrives back at point D and then smacks into the door, and the process repeats. So the question is, at which point does the ball reach its maximum height after the first bounce? That is the maximum height will be any point where the velocity is 0, and this is when after it stopped hitting the ground, so it will be at point C where it's come to its maximum height.